Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're here aboard this brand new SDX 270 Sea Ray. These are such awesome boats, I'll tell you. Hanging out at the sandbar, doing dinner cruises, having fun with the family. You can't beat these boats for that, and what a great ride. Sea Ray really did well with the ride on this boat. Very comfortable bow area with loungers. This boat has a ladder that drops down off the bow. That's a very nice feature, especially if you're at the sandbar. The helm, very comfortable. Very easy to reach your switches while you're driving. Listen to your Fusion stereo, which has got a great sound. This boat does have an enclosed head, which is a little difficult to see in a video, so I'm not really showing it. If you look at this seat, you can see on the passenger side, the cushion's flipped up as a bolster, so you can sit up higher or stand. The driver's side, it's down, but it is the same configuration. It does the same thing. Plenty of room in the cockpit. Lots of room, very comfortable. And it has the big Sea Ray known back seat that does have a flat lounger area that's very comfortable, or pops up as seating for when you're hanging out at the sandbar. This boat's powered by a Mercury 304-stroke outboard. And I'll tell you, you got to get out and ride it, feel the power, enjoy the ride in this boat, and have some fun with us. Give me a call. Be happy to take you out. Ted Jones, MarineMax, Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.